I know we're not at the whole kit and caboodle anymore. We're somewhere over the rainbow.
Hello, my dear. Are you a good witch or a bad witch?
Why, I'm not a witch at all.
Whose box of my colors cardstock landed on my sister?
It was an accident. I didn't mean to hurt her.
Don't forget about the slippers.
I will now have the ruby slippers. My sister created amazing scrapbooking kits because of those slippers. They're gone. What have you done with them? Give me back my slippers. I'm the only one who knows how to use them.
It's too late. There they are, and there they'll stay. The creativity must be very powerful, or she wouldn't want them back so badly.
No, I won't give them up. I need to continue to create my scrapbook kits.
Soon I will steal those slippers. Then nobody will be able to scrapbook. I'll get you, my pretty. And your little pages, too.
Now I just need to get back to the whole kit and caboodle so I can start designing again. But how do I get there?
The only person who may know would be the great and wonderful Wiz himself.
The Wiz? Is he good or is he wicked?
Oh, very good, but very mysterious. He lives out west in a land like Oz, but that's a long journey from here. Remember not to let those ruby slippers off your feet for a moment, or you will be at the mercy of the Wicked Witch of the West.
How do we start for Oz?
All you do is follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.